Mastering Social Media, a step-by-step guide to creating your strategy. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and for businesses and individuals, having a strong social media presence is more important than ever. A well-executed social media strategy can help you reach your target audience, build your brand, and ultimately, achieve your business goals. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create an effective social media strategy that will help you achieve success on social media platforms. Step 1. Define your goals and objectives. Before you begin creating your social media strategy, it's crucial to define your goals and objectives. What do you hope to achieve with your social media presence? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive website traffic, or engage with your audience? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can then develop a plan to achieve them. Step 2. Know your target audience. To create a successful social media strategy, you need to know your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests and pain points? What platforms do they use? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your content and messaging to resonate with them. Step 3. Choose the right platforms. Once you know your target audience, you can then choose the social media platforms that best fit your business goals and where your audience is most active. There are many social media platforms available, but not all of them may be suitable for your business. Focus on the platforms that will help you achieve your goals and where your audience is most engaged. Step 4. Develop your content strategy. Content is king on social media, and creating a content strategy is essential. Determine what type of content your audience will find valuable and engaging, and create a content calendar to ensure you have a consistent posting schedule. Your content should align with your goals and objectives, and should be tailored to each platform's best practices. Step 5. Engage and grow your audience. Engagement is critical on social media, and growing your audience is equally important. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and actively seek out new followers by engaging with other accounts and using relevant hashtags. You can also consider paid social media advertising to reach new audiences and grow your following. Creating a successful social media strategy requires careful planning, attention to your audience, and a commitment to creating high-quality, engaging content. By following these steps, you can develop a social media strategy that will help you achieve your goals and build your brand on social media platforms. Remember, social media is constantly evolving, so be sure to monitor your performance and adjust your strategy as needed to stay ahead of the competition. We hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on social media marketing.